for a peaceful community.
Pride, or the Pride Month this month, ano o paano mo ihahalin tulad ang iyong pagkatao sa kulay na mamubunot mo from the colors of the rainbow. At ang nabunot niya po ay color blue.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, panel board of judges. And thank you very much for picking me as one of the 5 semi-finalists. The question goes like this. In this Pride Month, we have the color of the LGBTQIA+ community, the rainbow community. Mamili daw po ako bumunot daw po ako ng kulay, which would be the best representation of myself. I pick color blue. Okay. Medyo mahirap. Aside from the symbolism of water, which becomes life, I firmly believe in this modern time, in this day, hindi ko alam kung 12 o'clock na, we are celebrating this what we call Independence Day. So I would going to relate the color that I picked to the color of our only flag in our country. Ang kulay asul, which symbolizes color of peace o kapayapaan. Ladies and gentlemen, in this modern time, tayo po lahat ay dumadaan sa mga problema. Bansa sa bansa, nag-aaway. Lugar sa lugar, nagpapatayan dahil gusto nilang masakop ang kanilang bayan. Pilipino sa Pilipino, nag-aaway. Gobyerno sa mga tao, nagsisiraan para makuha ang kayamanan. Ladies and gentlemen, try to think of this. I myself is a symbol of peace. Why do I say so? Paulit-ulit ko pong sinasabi sa aking Q&A, lagi na lamang po nilang sinasabi na paulit-ulit po ako, I myself, Maria Sofia Alcantara, has been to jail for 2 consecutive years of my life way back 2016. Ang bakla pong nakatayo sa inyong harapan ay isang ehemplo na minsan pumasok sa loob ng kulungan sa loob ng 2 taon, and that would be the darkest moment of my life. What would be the symbol of peace to me? It is what because I serve as an inspiration for a peaceful community. Why do I say so? I've been discriminated, I've been humiliated. Sabi nga nila, yung baklang yan, scammer yan, yung baklang yan, hindi na yan magbabago, hindi na yan makakalabas. But always remember, if you believe in yourself and to follow the track of what we call right, definitely you can be an inspiration to all. And ladies and gentlemen, in that darkest moment of my life, I realized one day that I can be a symbol or epitome of peace. Why do I say so? Bilang isang bakla, wala man akong koronang matanggap ngayong gabi o hindi man ako manalo. Nais ko lamang pumbuksan ang isipan ng bawat isa. That weapon and fighting is not always been an answer for us to have a peaceful country. Boses lamang po. Ang aking sariling boses ang magbubulat sa inyong lahat na kailanman walang magagawang tama ang pag-aaway sa bawat isa. A simple act of kindness to each and every single individual would be definitely a symbol of peace. Lagi po natin pakakatandaan ngayong araw ng kalayaan, as far as I can remember, meron tayong 3 simbolo na ibinigay. Kalayaan, kinabukasan, at kasaysayan. Ladies and gentlemen, try to think of this. Kalayaan, palayain natin ang puso ng bawat isa kung meron tayong galit. Bigyan natin ng kapanatagan ng isip ang ating mga isip. Makipagbati sa mga taong kaaway natin nang sa ganon, tularan nila tayo bilang magandang ehemplo. Pangalawa, magkaroon tayo ng pag-ibig sa bawat isa ng pagdating sa kinabukasan. May maganda pang matututunan ang mga tao sa atin bilang isang LGBT. At last, puputulin ko po ang isang kasaysayan na minsan kami mga LGBT ay tinatawag nilang sentro ng diskriminasyon, sentro ng kahihiyan. But one thing is for you, if you can definitely be an inspiration to everyone, you can be a symbol of peace. Thank you so much.
Maraming salamat, candidate number 10.
Our candidate number 10 is Dimples Romana and she picked a color of blue. And finally,